So today we're in my cabinet shop and we got this 2 jigs. This is for your radius on corners, on countertops, whenever you want to do. This is a small one to do a small radius, and this is just a bigger one. So the way you use it is really easy. You put it on the corner, it has these guides, and you basically tie them up right there. And this will basically just
and you could screw them in
hold
too.
it. You could screw them in if you want to. But as a professional, when we do custom woodworking, you don't want to drill it. So what we do, we clamp it down basically for your router bit. So the other option, if you're doing your countertop, you can screw on the bottom side where you're not going to see it. And so your router has to be on this side, so it doesn't hit your pieces that holds it on. So see, once it's in, even if you drop your guy, it's not going to move on you. Make sure that your bearing aligns C as it is right now. It's lower, so we're going to adjust it here. So what this does, if you want to hold it, if you don't want to go too much on your radius, this is a stopper basically. You can stop it or you can let it go all the way. So on this template, what we didn't show you was a different type of radius. Usually this is the most common, the R30 radius, and it changes from R40, radius 35, radius 50, and then we got a smaller one for radius 15, 20, 10, and 25. So those are the radius that we purchase.
There you guys go. Hope you guys enjoy the video.